What is up, everyone? I did plan on washing the Mini as I got home, but literally just started to rain. Wanted to use the new toy to dry it off and then urban shine it because I wanted to bead and to keep the dirt off it and the rain to roll off it, but it's just gonna have to wait until the rain stops. As you can see, it's starting to come down, so yeah, we'll wait until the rain stops and we can get it done. Now it's still real windy out, but it's not raining, so I'm gonna blast this car over and get it done. Typical, starts raining the minute I try and dry it. So the car's clean. I didn't get to use my toy. It's still drizzling raining. There's no point. I dried off most of the roof and there you go. It's still wet, but the car is minty clean. The ceramic coating that Reaper done on the bonnet and the roof is holding up really well. You can still see it, just nothing stays on it. It's really good. You literally blow it a little tiny bit and the water just dripples off. So I might actually get the rest of the car done, get it a little bit polished again, fix this, get it all done. Car's clean. I'll come back at it tomorrow because the urban shine works best when the car is dry and it just creates a great beading effect. The water just rolls off the car. It's amazing. The wheels came up nice and clean, arches came up lovely and clean, took off these black things, cleaned all underneath it, perfect. So yeah, I'm happy with the car now. It's clean and yeah, hopefully tomorrow is a sunny day and I can urban shine it, but that's another day, another time. So yeah, appreciate you watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, give the video a like and comment. Let me know what you think of the lovely Mini. So yeah, till next time guys, be dedicated and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.